Hey, how are you? It's time for another quiz. Now, can you guess what I am? Here's your first clue. I am a bird, a very large bird. Your second clue. There are 60 different species. Your third clue. I have excellent eyesight. Your fourth clue. We usually build our nests high in cliffs or in tall trees. Your fifth clue. We have hooked beaks. Your sixth clue. Some of us like to hunt for foxes or wildcats, young deer, and even goats. And your final clue. I am the national bird of the United States of America. Can you guess what I am?